At least 18 people, including both the pilots, lost their lives after an Air India Express plane with 190 people on board from Dubai crash landed and skidded off the runway at Kerala's Calicut International Airport on 7th of August. Now, this particular incident took place amid incessant rains in the state of Kerala over the past few days. Of the 190 people on board, there were 10 infants, 4 cabin crew members, and 2 pilots. Soon after the incident occurred, after nearly 3 hours of rescue operation, all the passengers were evacuated and more than 140 of them were transferred to the hospitals in nearby districts. Now remember, ladies and gentlemen, this particular aircraft was tasked with the Vande Bharat mission, which basically means to bring back Indians who are abroad amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Captain Deepak Vasant Sathe, the pilot of the Air India Express plane, was also among those who lost their lives in the crash landing of the Air India flight at Calicut International Airport. He was a former test pilot with the Indian Air Force and has been lauded by the survivors, who claim that he tried to save each and every passenger till the very end and was successful in averting a fire even after the incident. Several unconfirmed reports suggest that Captain Sathe had switched off the engine in an attempt to save the lives of all the passengers and the cabin crew on board the aircraft. Now, according to a flight tracking website called Flight Radar 24, it has been found that the aircraft made 2 attempts to finally land on the runway. And before it finally landed on the Calicut International Airport's runway, it had circled the airport multiple times. According to what the Directorate General of Civil Aviation has said, the plane, after landing, continued running till the very end of the runway and finally fell into the valley and broke into 2 parts. Now let's understand what possibly could have gone wrong with the landing of the Air India Express plane on 7th of August. Now, the Calicut International Airport has a tabletop runway. Now, what does that mean? A tabletop runway refers to a runway which is located on the top of a plateau or a hill with one or both sides adjacent to a steep elevation that ultimately leads to a deep gorge. Many international aircrafts in the past have refused to fly their big aircrafts at the Calicut International Airport, citing safety reasons over the length of the runway. Now, of the 4 airports that Kerala currently has, the Calicut International Airport has the shortest runway and has suffered excessive damage over the past few years due to incessant rains in the state. Now, air safety expert Captain Mohan Ranganathan has said that he had sent a detailed report almost 9 years ago, clearly stating that the Calicut International Airport is not safe for landing. Now, soon after this incident occurred on 7th of August, Captain Mohan Ranganathan has said that the runway has a steep downslope and absolutely no safety area. He also said that they were warned 9 years back and given proof, however, they continued to operate and declared the airport safe. He's also said that he had predicted this disaster long back. Now, air safety expert Captain Mohan Ranganathan says that if there are any casualties, then it is a murder and not an accident. Now, what's crucial here is that the flight data recorders of the Air India Express plane that crash landed on 7th of August in Calicut have now been accessed. Now, this particular flight data recorder, also known as the black box, can reveal some very important information pertaining to the altitude, speed, and also the position of the aircraft. It can also give us an insight into the pilot's conversations that are critical in understanding what exactly happened with the flight on 7th of August.